Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel Lorraine. If you don't know me, today's video is going to be a fashionable haul. Ordered this on Friday and it legit came yesterday, so it came so fast and I can't wait to try these clothes on. This is my first impressions. I haven't tried it on since it came yesterday, so I was being very patient. So yeah guys, my last fashionable haul did so amazing, so I'm like, why not give you guys another fashionable haul? And I got a lot of cute clothes, a lot of spring, since spring is coming, so I honestly can't wait to try it on with you guys and tell me your thoughts. I will link all the clothes down below, what I got. And I'm so sorry for the background. There's a lot of construction that's going on around my area, so like right now it's very noisy, so I'm very sorry in advance. I literally have to yell and shout, so sorry if I'm yelling right now. It's because the loud construction that is going on, but anyways, it's not gonna stop us, so we're gonna get straight into it. And yeah guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I did get like 11 items or 10 items, as you can see in this big bag. So right now we are going to open them. Oh my god, I love this part. This is their postcard. I really love it. This is like really nice. Like, I love how they did this. Yeah, their app and stuff like that. So I didn't know they gave me this. What the heck? I think they were having a sale where if you buy a lot and if you use a code, which I didn't use a code, I used Spring to get like 30 to 70% off. And they said if you use it, I don't know what code or whatever, but you get like Nova Beauty. So that was awesome. I just dumped this all down. Yeah, there's a lot. Can't wait to try these on, guys. It's exciting because I am. Okay guys, we're gonna get started. So this is my packing slip, and yeah, so I want to tell you guys the prices, what I got, what it's called, you know. Start off with this set. I got the sweats and Stay Daydreamy sweatpants and the Stay Daydreamy crop top. I literally wanted the other, it was like a nude color, and I really wanted that one, but it said it was like out of stock, so I decided to just go with this blue one. So hopefully it looks really good on me. Like, I'm really like, you know, praying girl. But yeah, we're gonna see how this looks on me. So yeah, I got this in a size large. Retails for, sorry, so the sweatpants retailed for $20.99. The crop top retailed for $12.59. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. This is the crop top. It's like this. I wish I got an extra large, which I don't know why I didn't. It's kind of tight on the chest area, which I think I kind of love because my like boobs are like staying in place. In a size large, and it looks like this. I really love them. It honestly fits perfectly. So this is like the fit. I really love it. I think I would just definitely get a size up in the crop top, but other than that, this is like really cute. I really love it. I don't think I give this a 9 out of 10. This is very cute, a very like, you know, running errands type of thing. Like, you don't want to look, you want your makeup to look bomb but your outfit to look simple type of things. Okay guys, so this is the next one, and let me tell you, I freaking love this. Oh shoot. Okay, so I've always wanted this for a while. Like, I've always wanted to try this. I'm so happy that I got it. This is the Jaclyn crop top, and which was $6.99. I got it in a size large. And then this is in the skirt dress, is, okay, Keep and Talking Plaid Skirtall is $19.59, and I also got in size large as well. I love how it hugs my body, guys. I definitely am going to need like some type of non-see-through bra. You're gonna need to buy this separately. Give the skirt a 9 out of 10, and the crop top, I guess, like a 9 out of 10 as well. With your size, and it should just fit tight for you. But yeah, guys, I feel like a freaking schoolgirl. Like, okay guys, so this is I think this is the third outfit. Sorry if I'm exposed right now. This is the third outfit, and this is Here For You Denim Skirt set in XL. And this is in my size XL, and this is medium wash, and this is how it looks. Hunty tight. But it fits my boobs so good. It hugs my body like so well. Like, I love it so much. Like, when I put this on, like, I'm like, oh my god, this is not gonna fit me, but it hugs in the right spots, and it feels so amazing. I do suggest you guys up a size. I'm not sure, like, I feel like if I would have got a large, it probably wouldn't fit as good. Maybe try, like, maybe up a size. Like, you don't want to feel like all tight and it's like uncomfortable to wear. Like, obviously you want to feel comfortable and feel good in what you wear. So definitely up a size on this one, just to be on the safe side. Like, if you're going out and stuff like that, you can probably wear like high heels, or like if you're going to run errands, you can wear like Vans or like Jordans, like, you know, like that. This is definitely like, you know, one of those like outfits. We're having like a really good deal. It's spring, 30 through 70% off. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored. They are like, you know, still having this, you know, deal. So cross fingers. But guys, I love this so much. Love it. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. One of my favorite purchases in this haul so far. But yeah, I love it. I love it so much. On to the next outfit. Okay guys, so this is the next not really an outfit, because I wasn't really planning on wearing these shorts with this shirt, but since I have it on, I guess like it could be one of my outfits. What I have on next is the top. It's the Handra printed Satin crop top. Basically, it's an orange combo, and I got it in a size XL, and it was $17.50. It was difficult to put this on. Honestly, I should have got it like a 1X or something, but I mean, this is pretty good, because, you know, if you have bigger boobs, I suggest you go a size up. I don't recommend you wear a bra. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty cute. I love it. I would wear it with like shorts, like high-waisted shorts, you know, get that curvy look. But yeah, this is pretty cute. I love the feel. I love the floral. I think this definitely goes perfect with the spring. Get these short, put it more up if you want, like this. Let's put it up. Yeah, you can put it up more like that. It's not that short, like it does cover up your butt. All eyes on you. Denim shorts in black, and this was $14, and I got this in the size 11, and this fits so well. Like, I love it. It kind of gives you like a curve look, like a little waist, pretty face. I would wear this top with like a cute necklace with some hoops, with my hair up, you know, really cute. I love it so much. Sorry, I feel like the lighting was like crooked. I'm not blaming. The angle was like crooked, guys. I didn't realize how crooked it was. I have one more shirt to show you guys, and then I have accessory, which are sunglasses, and then that is all for the haul. But let me put on the next shirt, the glasses, and okay guys, so this is the last final shirt. Remember how I told you there's something in here? Like, I thought it was like beauty stuff, because it literally says no more beauty. It was actually my glasses. Yeah, so this is the final shirt. Yeah, I think this is the final thing. So this is the final shirt. It's basically like this. I got an extra large because I wanted to fit extra large on me, very long. But I wanted to wear these with these shorts, because it kind of gives me like sweetie vibes. Like, I don't know, I like when she wears the shorts with the oversized pants, but like if I do it like this, it'll look weird. So I kind of like to just put it up like this, or you can wear like this to the side, you know. This is like streetwear for me, like, or like just wanted to just like dress like casual, you know, don't want to be extra with it. T-shirt retailed for $17.50. It's called Metallica wash top, and it's a charcoal, and I got an extra large. And yeah, nothing too crazy about this shirt. I really needed more t-shirts, so that's why I got this. So I got these glasses. I want to see how it looks on me, because like the summer is coming, you know, in California. Like basically summer starts in like May, so you know, we're getting ready. Oh, let me find out. Hold on. Who is she though? This is so fire. It's the top of the chain shield sunglasses, and it retailed for $6.99. And this doesn't have a size or anything, but guys, look. I know. I love this so much, guys. You could also wear like this, you know. Yeah, guys, that is all for my haul. I really enjoyed this haul so much. Let me know what was your favorite. I love them all. Plaid, I freaking love. The denim skirt, the denim skirt set, bomb. This whole fit is such a mood. All of it was a mood, but I really loved what they had on Fashion Nova. Bank account agreed to it all, but you know, it's okay because I love it. So give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you want me to do more hauls. It doesn't have to be Fashion Nova, it could be Pretty Little Thing, Shein, many other online retail stores. Guys, like I said, gave me so much love on this one, on my previous Fashion Nova, so please do the same here. I'll be answering all the comments down below. I will also put a link to what I got during this haul. Maybe you guys want to try it out, you know, you guys have purchased it and all that. I feel like I got a lot of spring clothes. I feel like probably not this, you know, but like all the other ones are definitely like, I feel like spring related. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys, bye.